46 years of doing cast iron. Never seen nothing like it. That's a game changer.
One of the best parts of helping clients adopt laser welding into their operation is dropping back into the shop to see what our clients are pulling off. Yesterday, I heard an incredible story about cast iron welding using our 2 kilowatt liquid-cooled laser welding machine. This is Bob from BM Welding in Port Perry, Ontario. He has been welding for 46 years and has a history of tackling cast iron with TIG welding. He told me the task we're about to look at would have taken at least 90 minutes, but now with laser welding, it takes him less than 5. He was pretty excited to show me. We're looking at a cast iron trailer component with a broken joint. He starts with a few tacks. You can actually hear that classic cast iron crackle as it reacts to the temp delta. It even blew a few tiny shards out from the heat shock. We're using a stainless steel filler wire here. No clamps, just total freehand laser welding. The cast absolutely loved the stainless. The penetration was insane, almost piercing through on the first pass. Now, if you've ever touched cast, you know it's a nightmare to weld. Usually it's a process of preheating, slow cooling, and peening just to keep the thermal shock from ruining the whole piece. He's laying in a few more passes to bridge the gaps and wash out any undercut. It's not a pretty show weld, but the fusion is deep, and with TIG, you'd be watching out for those cracks. After a quick ambient cool down, no sand buckets, no heat blankets, it was time for the Bob test. Bob grabbed a mauling hammer and swung for the fences. 4 full force hits. The result, the cast iron snapped right where it was held in the vise. But the weld held. The base metal failed before the joint did. This was mind-blowing. I have 4 takeaways to highlight here. Number 1, speed. We turned 90 minutes of stress into 5 minutes of work. Number 2, simplicity. No complex preheat or post-heat cycles. Number 3, strength. The weld outlasted the casting. And number 4, now it's your turn. No more fighting materials. Contact Aslo Laser today using the contact information either at the beginning or the end of this video. Thank you for watching.
46 years of doing cast iron. Never seen nothing like it. How long did it take to weld?
5 minutes.
No preheat, no post-heat, no peening.
Lay it in.
That's a game changer.